We have a response now from the Jamaica Labour Party to the PNP's vigil and calls for action from the government. While the party's General Secretary, Dr. Horace Chang, believes the move was an effort in futility, as the focus is in the wrong place.
The PNP's vigil Thursday morning is being touted as a success by that party. But Dr. Horace Chang says it was quite the contrary.
First, it was take the Harbour Tree because they had a small crowd, and Harbour Tree is always crowded with passerby and individuals going to work, so it's going to look impressive. But from all my intelligence, it was not a very impressive gathering of any number of the citizens. In fact, by the time they got to the police club, I gathered there was less than 50 people there, and that would be a greater symbol of the impact their appeal had. So they're showing their weaknesses still.
Parliamentary Secretary at the Office of the Prime Minister, Robert Morgan, agrees. He says if the aim is to address corruption, the PNP is going about it in the wrong way.
I mean, everybody can pay people money and put them on a bus and buy a crowd, but the real work in dealing with the issues that are affecting our society and have been affecting our society for many decades is creating a situation of accountability and integrity within the public service.
The JLP says while there are issues, the PNP continues to point to things that are already being fixed or that are misleading the public.
First, some of the things they've raised, for example, there's absolutely no interference in the work of the FID, MOCA, and CTOG in investigating anything in government. They are aware that agents like FID and MOCA don't talk to the press until they have their case settled. An investigation being done, I don't follow it because it's not I cannot get involved in the operation, but I know they're pursuing cases. MOCA has 337 cases in court or at the DPP, and it is of interest to look at the Manchester Parish Council case. And bear in mind, the Manchester Parish Council has been consistently managed by the People's National Party, where it is indicated that some $400 million went missing. MOCA did not go to the public to make a case about politics or individuals until they had the case, and the case is going well, and it's one that's a lesson for all people involved in government to look at.
Dr. Chang listed that and other issues of corruption under previous PNP administrations. However, both he and Mr. Morgan insisted that the current administration is all about solutions.
Some would argue the PNP was more corrupt, some would argue the JLP is more corrupt. But if that is the level of the conversation, then it's not going to take us anywhere. I think what we need to do is to continue, as we have done as a government, build out the institutions that deal with the issue of corruption, MOCA, FID, the Integrity Commission. And I think that's where I am more interested in on this issue.